airiamun nada itemtemere aina peta nuda ibusakita aswam kesi aja ikina osemero loko Soroti Secondary School ko ibuga Soroti.
Much as the rules have not yet been rolled out, but one of the key rules there that has been teaching schools is now turning on us. And I think what it states, the games teachers, the coaches, together with the respective head teachers of those other schools that are affected, will now be the ones to face the penalty.
Achie koto maina peta nuda poni tolo munai kesinu kamanara keda eipone loda eponata isemeroi aitolot Aboliasio nuka secondary ko districta loko Soroti.
We have had challenges where the games teachers again come trying to want to debate about the fixture. This is a fixture that we have made. Nobody has forced us. We have done it with all our hearts and we are ready to embrace it. So I want to ask that we should be able to abide by what we have resolved here.
Isemeroi akaisare lu apugan keda lu mamegon kina neja apugan kese apotu tolo sotongun kotoma ainapedna nuda ingarini kit Samuel Ojula Adome lo dairai egrigran lo Aboliasio ko district alo ko Soroti.
Sibor Napol arai ko nyakini mwalimu nube o yauti duwe shomete merale muni duwe lo kinga luma me shomete nare kwate jase kisela lo de mukarulo e Education Act 2023 kamuta kirono Aboliasio ije ne dumuno eraje games chakede head teacher nisi kamne takira kwa student mama kira die tapete
koto mai napeta kangun nesda poni igwaikinere semero papenat Soroti Secondary School Teso College Aloet Query SS Cornerstone Keda Alliance o grupo loka A Sorry kino grupo lo ba neseja ikina Agora SS Crane High School Aloete Parents Keda Tuburu SS Kosodi Olila High School Asirete High School Halishon High School Soroti High School Keda Light SS Aibuaikin o grupo lokaicha Kosodi Jeresa High School Hadasha SS Holy Angels Keda Loet Parents Aibuaikin o grupo lokaida Otomadoke tight na isap
Angolango fixtures mama yalongongo buneka tima lomu no group angon dai kapakena so I defending a trophy o karubo bolo
arde jasani ngoshongun konyi kapakena so kape e district angari timu no ti vele mutai yatakino lobo slotsi idope
alomate so college o timu le niniki nare no maji somero leje itoma e jatare record Soroti seze jatare record abulia gweri itupite tenu wa soma to karuje dia kita qualifying idea obuni do kwa naso so eneneki Abolia konye ikapa ina so pele kiti sololo aidake ikopola district
ai tolomunono na igurupu kangun nesida aja ikina aya itok lu Aboliasio kotomo semero lu egitigita kolomnito kotoma o district alo ko Soroti.
Aboliasio ne ngunu me mopire be sageo na rasa tomo na kanyewni to na kaisara lo ngono ola pano uniet ibore ne pol na kotoma isi ko kinene jasi ka tonga lu somero na lo gela yesi anyu molbe I training ato sikese doe idue shomete mere ayao ni due lu mami kotai no mami shomete ayao ni chekolo kabone Abolia.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East ko ibuga Soroti.